What's going on, guys? Today is a very exciting day because right now we are getting ready to take the MR2 on its first drive other than just pulling it out of the shop right here. So this morning we got this battery and mount in the mail, and I went ahead and got this all welded on there, got it all mounted up. This just came with like a weld on mount, and I just welded it to the side of the car right there, so it's nice and solid. I gave it the not going anywhere check, and she's good, that's solid. And I kind of wired everything up just temporarily for right now because I am still waiting on a harness to come in. We're waiting on an aftermarket tucked harness, and that is going to be coming with a whole little switch panel with fuses and relays, and then we'll really like legitimately wire the car. But for right now, we just made what we had work. Right now it's still just running the stock harness, and we did also hook up the alternator. We ran a power wire all the way back to the starter, got it all ready to go. We double checked the oil. We had to crawl under the car, make sure nothing's dangling under there, zip tied some stuff up out of the way, and I think we're ready to plug the laptop in and take her on her first drive down the street.
That's awesome.
Our goal is to make it about 2 miles away to the nearest gas station with E85 so we can top off the tank because she is pretty low. So we're gonna see if we can make it. And yeah,
perfect day for this.
I know, I think she's ready to go. I'm gonna leave the engine cover and stuff off just for right now, help it cool off, even though I don't think that's going to be an issue. But like I said, we're gonna bring the laptop, make sure it doesn't get too hot, nothing like that, and just go cruiser.
That's awesome, man. Finally.
Yeah, put some miles on her, break it in a little bit. It's still on the cheap oil, so I'll probably try to make it there and back, and then we'll switch it over to our good race oil and just go from there. But this is gonna be it. We double checked everything and I think she's ready.
Yeah. Put our
first drive.
motorcycle glasses on because we don't have a windshield.
Oh yeah. Once again, guys.
It's just really clean.
Yeah, it's just the cleanest windshield you ever seen. We should probably get helmets. Yeah, I forgot about that. And then these things are gonna be flopping in the wind, but it's all right. But I'm really nervous / excited right now. Everything works too, by the way. Like headlights pop up again. We got power everywhere. So this is gonna be it. Hopefully we don't eat any bugs on the way, but
a few won't be bad.
It'll be all right.
Good protein.
A couple grams of protein never hurt no one. And real quick, I'll show you guys how I have this wired up. So we have this little power wire coming in from the battery, and then this green wire goes to the starter. So it's in gear right now, but when you flip this switch, it will turn the starter on. And then this one right here goes to all the other powers. Like this wire right here goes to the power for the fuel pump relay. We have the power going to the alternator, and then this is power to the ECU. So I'm literally just flipping switches, no relays, no fuses. So yeah, it's a little ghetto, but it works for right now until we get the new harness in. And I'm just really excited to drive this thing. I'm just trying to do everything I can to get it down the road because that's all I've been waiting for so long. And we're finally ready. So we're gonna go take this thing and get some gas. Oh yeah, we're reading. So just watch the coolant temp right there. 93 right now.
All right. Gotcha.
still pretty cool.
Yeah. Nice quick.
Oh, we got you.
Get in with us, Jerry.
It's all part of it. Hats are grabbed. No, Boostedboiz hats were injured during this. If you want one, go to Boostedboiz website. And you can throw yours on the ground too, out of an MR2.
It survived.
Oh yeah, it's great.
I lost my hat for a second, you just tossed me back to it. We're back to full on to the freeway. Well, not really the freeway, but speed limit's like 60 on this road, so they're going pretty good.
Highway, bro.
We just ran it through all 5 gears. Everything sounds great. It's just idling a little high right now, but everything's good. It's not getting hot. It's actually staying too cold.
153 right now.
You can hear the fuel pump's not happy.
It's definitely needs gas.
But we made it. We're here.
This is our spot. That's how we test them.
Shut her off.
She made it. Oh my gosh, guys, she made it. I'm so excited right now. Engine sounds like it's running good. She was shifting great. She's not leaking nothing. She made it. This gas station's a little farther than 2 miles, I think.
Yeah,
That's like,
it's like 11 miles, bro.
really?
Yeah.
I don't know about 11. It's like at least 5 or 6.
I'll trip back. Let's see what it does.
That was a good cruise on her for sure, though.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, this isn't 2 miles.
Yeah, dude, and the pump was starving on the way in, so get some E85 in there.
Sounded like it was rich enough it could go a little lean.
Yeah, we don't have the air fuel gauge in there yet, but we'll figure that out on the dyno.
That's it.
Brent was in the back of Roman's car filming, getting them rolling shots.
Yeah, it was awesome.
She made it, guys. Everything looks good back here. The manifold's starting to get some color in her.
Oh yeah.
The whole exhaust is starting to color up. We still need to hook up the blow-off valves, but we're not making any boost just yet. Also, these little nipples on the compressor housings need blocked off or plugged.
First tank of gas.
First time it's driven to the gas station in, I feel like, at least 2 years.
Thirsty.
Yep, and that's the original E85 that was in it from when. Oh no, we put some new.
Yeah, I was like, no, we put some new stuff in there.
I forgot we did that.
Yeah.
Man, it's running on some old gas.
It's a splash of Coke and you'd be right.
Topped off.
Full tank of gas.
Good for 100 miles.
Heading to Denver now,
Guess so.
huh?
Take her out to the meets.
Taking her out to the meets.
Monday night meeting.
Battery didn't fall off.
Oh no, that thing ain't going nowhere.
I got
that was
one.
welds.
I love that. That mount's nice. I like that.
Told you,
This
bro.
is the same one that's on the Grinch.
Mm-hmm.
Same battery, same bracket.
Same
battery,
setup.
same bracket.
My cable, even.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's literally it's great. I have to borrow that for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, it stays so cool.
That's amazing.
There's no thermostat in it right now, and it wouldn't go over 160 the whole way here.
That's
We
legit.
need to get a thermostat in there. But that's when we were having issues with it, like not wanting to cycle. So
Yeah.
we know that's working now. So now we just gotta put the thermostat back in
Back
that
in.
housing.
Yep.
We have that stock housing on it now.
Yep.
This shifter is so sick.
I had a truck coming and I'm like, dude, go!
What's wrong with that?
That would have hurt really bad.
You got over it pretty quick.
Real quick.
Woo! Made it.
She made it. She's running and driving.
Successful drive there.
Hell yes, dude. Dash fell out, but that's all right.
We need to get a windshield for this thing next.
I know. Listen to that. Turbo's still going. Oh, that one's spinning still. This one's still spinning.
There's a bunch of oil down there though, right?
They're spooling down. Is there some oil down there?
There's a lot.
Oh yeah, it is leaking some oil down there.
It's probably from this return though.
I am so pumped right now, guys. This thing feels so freaking sick. We did just check this oil leak down here was our Y fitting from the 2 returns, and then they go into 1-16, and that -16 is like hand loose right now. So that probably rattled loose because we didn't get it fully tight, but it's good. It hardly lost any oil whatsoever. It just now started dripping because when we were at the gas station, it was good. So everything's good there. That's all tightened back up, but man, I am so pumped. And you guys were worried about this exhaust melting the plastic, but that's all good back there still. No issues at all. Freaking pumped. We need to get some screws on those, tie the coils down. But man, guys, we are so close. Once we get the wiring harness in and get everything ran correctly, get the relays done, all that stuff, get a windshield in here, button up the cage. There's some other just little things that won't take long at all. We'll have this thing on the dyno here really soon, so I'm just super pumped. The sequential shifter feels awesome, goes into every gear, downshift's perfect, goes into the higher gears perfect, goes all the way 1 through 5, reverse works great, everything. So I'm just so pumped right now. Finally got her going after having to replace the other motor because of that crack. This one seems like she's running pretty good, so yeah, super pumped. So now I'm just gonna probably do an oil change on it before we run it again because it's still on the cheap break-in oil. So I'm gonna get some good oil in there and go from there, start buttoning it up. So happy right now. She has a full tank of gas. Man, she finally is moving again. Hell yes. All right, so we got this box and we were told to open it with everyone. I have no idea what this is. It's really light, so. Oh my gosh.
What? What is it?
Oh, I guarantee.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, man.
I told you they existed.
We got tricks.
I sure did.
I told you.
What's the name of it? Oh, the Magic Noodle.
Magic noodles.
Well,
There you
put 'em
go.
upstairs, bro.
Go have fun, bro.
How did I not guess that? I told you they were a real thing. Look, you lick them and you stick them together.
Is this
Yeah, see,
what-
that's you're supposed to get a little wet sponge and you dab them onto a sponge.
Is this what you made, bro? Some turtles?
Yeah, something like that. See, but everyone thought I was full of crap, but they're real.
Now you're gonna have to make
They
us
are
something.
real. It's literally just colored packing peanuts.
It is colored packing peanuts. There's actually some uncolored.
Yeah, look, there's some that are
Oh, those are the
OG
ones
from
that
the factory.
We got.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of those.
Yeah. I'm gonna color them and put them in bags.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that wraps up this video for the MR2 today. She is really close to being ready to go onto the dyno. Just needs a couple more things buttoned up and she'll be ready for her first bass tune. Probably going to keep it on low boost for the first little bit, but she's going to be making boost here pretty soon. Just need that harness and a couple other things and she's right there. So I am super excited about that. Run and drove awesome today. So that is going to be coming here very soon. I also want to give a huge shout out to K-Tune because if it were not for them, I would not be able to drive this thing today because they sent me another 90mm throttle body for this thing because the one that was already on the car, we put on the Prelude back when we did the new intake manifold. So they hooked it up with another throttle body. So huge shout out to them. Be sure to go check them out. Can't thank them enough for all the support they give us. And yeah, if it wasn't for that throttle body we got earlier today as well, we could not have driven it. So I forgot to mention that earlier. Got that on there. And then also some other things we wanted to mention today. I'm actually leaving tomorrow night for about a week. And we do have some content stacked up that we're going to be uploading about the Grinch while I'm gone. Emilio's going to Florida and he's going to be hanging out with Ricky.
Yeah, while he's gone, I'm gonna go to Florida and we're actually going to FL2K. So I'm gonna try to get Ricky's car ready for it because the last time we took it out was Cletus and Cars, and as some of you know, he lost his brakes towards the end of the track and
Almost went into the
So,
cornfield.
yeah, so luckily nothing happened to him. So I'm gonna go and probably change the brake booster and also put another transmission in there because he did mess up third gear too on the street. So we're actually having a pre-meet Thursday night, which is the 10th, the day before the event, because it's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday event at my buddy Ray's performance shop in Tampa. So if you guys want more info on that, if you guys live out there or you want to come out there and hang out with us, either for the event or the pre-meet, you can check out my Instagram, Boostedboiz Emilio, and you'll find more details on like the shop and everything we're doing. So yeah, it should be exciting.
Yeah, and then Roman's gonna be here all by himself.
Holding it down. Gonna be doing some.
Him and the Grinch.
Me and the Grinch. We're gonna be going down to Pueblo to do some no prep racing and then do some street racing probably Friday in Mexico. Yeah, just a bunch of racing.
I'll try to leave some cameras with you too.
Yeah, leave some cameras. I'll throw them on the car. I'll do as best I can. But I'm gonna run 2 classes. I'm gonna run the true street class. So we'll do the cruise kind of like we did last time, and then I'm gonna do a front wheel drive class. So every race I do, I'm gonna pull the drive shaft out, make a hit, and then put it back in there for the true street racing. So it should be really cool.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Wild.
Yeah.
Front and all.
Yeah.
Trying to take all the trophies.
Trying to take all the trophies. There's a bunch of payouts, man. It's like $2,000 this one.
He's
and
trying to get
G
that
this
money.
one. I'm trying to stack up on money, you know. This Grinch cost me money.
But yep, so we're gonna be all split up for this next coming week. So we will be returning to the regular content once we're all back, and then I'll be diving back into the MR2. That's probably gonna be the first thing once I get back, is try to get this thing ready for the dyno and stuff, because all the parts I'm missing should get here while I'm gone. So we come back, slap it on, and get her on the dyno and go from there.
Yeah, because
so
Ice Cream Cruise is actually, this is gonna be a busy month.
I have a lot going on
Ice
right
Cream
now.
Cruise is coming
20th,
right when
and
we
then
come
World
back.
Cup
and then
following week after, bro.
Yeah, we got a lot going on this month. Yeah, I'm gonna be gone for a week, so I only have 3 or 4 days to get this ready for Ice Cream Cruise because I'm trying to bring it. And then, yeah, World Cup is after that.
It's on, man. It's gonna be fun.
We're gonna be traveling around the next couple months, so
Yep.
should be fun. But that is going to be it for tonight, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.